Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this 5 square minus 5 divided by 1 times 5. So let's start with today's video solution. What people do, they solve it like 1 multiplied by 5 as 5, 5 divided by 5 as 1, and 5 square is 25 minus 1 as 24. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. When in an expression like this, you have given multiple operation like exponent, then division, then multiplication, then you have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then order, then division, multiplication, both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. Now 5 square minus 5 divided by 1 times 5. So first we have given the order, that is exponent. So it's 25 minus 5 divided by 1 times 5. Now we know that multiplication and division both have same priority, but what people forget that we have to solve from left to right always. So it's 5 divided by 1 is 5, multiply 5. So it's 25 minus 25, that is 0. So what is the correct answer? 0, not 24. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.